Welcome to Almost Outdoors. $3 zip ties.
Justin's got to pull it. You got to do it from under.
Brad Harbor fruit zip ties.
Okay.
There you go.
Should have got some Vaseline and ran down the track.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. I'm running out of real estate. I gotta.
Oh, you're running out of truck.
Something's holding it back.
It's just the pressure of all the stuff. That's why I said we should have put some Vaseline or something on that track.
Stuff. Is it on that?
No, let me move the bottom.
I need bottom.
All right. Hold on a little bit. All right, hold on. Let me jump on the ladder.
What?
Let me get on the ladder.
I'm pulling. Are you pulling? Oh. Hang on, back up. Back up towards me. Okay, now go. Now go.
All right. Try to keep it even. That's why it's kind of tugging around your ass there. There you go. Stand by.
Yeah.
Oh, this is stupid.
Still cheaper than someone else doing it for you.
I don't read your comments. Read the comments in the break section.
It cost you what, $400 and some beer? I mean, it's cheaper than taking it over to Wagner's. You'd have it. You might have it back by the end of the summer if you take it over to them.
Come back.
He's got a cake. You got the top. Yeah. Holy cow. You gotta go inside that head. It's still gotta go.
Alright, so we're somewhere around in there.
Looks good.
It looks good to me.
You didn't mark
Alright, let's go.
All right.
Yeah, we didn't mark it where it was. But
Just center it.
ah,
I tell you right now, it's gonna come your way. What do you got?
6.5.
6.5. So you gotta go an inch and a half. Just gotta go an inch and a half that way.
anchor. Here we go. Measure it. That was 3 tugs.
Just leave it like that. I can get on the road with it. It was this one.
These two.
Which two?
Right?
Am I close enough? Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, it has to slide in like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, see how it slid in
Son
like
of a
that?
bitch.
So
Yeah.
we're at the
Hold, right?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Hold on.
I'm serious. Oh, yeah, wind. It's up in the air back here in the field.
Oh, hold on. We don't want to rip it. Hold on.
before attack 5.
Hopefully
It's good. We need a fat ass stand on the porch. Kept moving. I was like,
That's not what I told you.
gingerly. Ginger was on Gilligan's Island. She's
they
a
don't have
redhead.
soul.
Hold up.
I hear Ginger don't have soul.
Move it. Keep forward.
Good. Now you back my way.
Just give it a little tapping.
Happy cat. Alright. There we are. Reset screwed it.
We got to do another one, right? No, for right now, we're.
Straight down. Just hold it.
Yeah. We want to make sure.
Hold up there. Easy.
Okay. We got to let that down.
Yeah. Right here.
I'm thirsty.
It's very stressful.
The pops in my chin.
Alright, right there.
Can you come out?
Oh,
Wait a minute, let's get this. Gotta come in close. Hold on. Hang on, guys.
Well, I think we got to hit a certain.
Wait a minute. Just hang on.
Go back
Right there where it is. Pop it out.
put a screw in it.
Hold on. I'm trying to.
We're not lined up on this. Screw.
I got a hole right here in front of me. Right there it is. Hold it. Don't move.
Don't move!
I'll edit that out.
Alright.
I got the rest of my pocket. You want to get them?
I got 4 in my pocket. Play pocket
Is that a
full.
no? You never said no.
Get them all?
3, right?
Three.
That's it. It's 3.
Right.
You trying the same hole?
Alright. Okay, now run your awning in and out. See, these are the set screws for top. Okay, so run your awning in and out a couple times. See if it goes in straight. If it wants it straight,
Just have to come out.
no. Sounds rolling up straight. No. You want to see that?
That's pretty darn good.
It's like kind of like when it gets to the end, but it might be cut weird.
I know.
I mean, if you look, it's rolling up pretty damn easy. Well, it just starts.
As long
to
as this
overlap
bar
right
goes there,
there.
it locks.
But
See,
it
the
might
bar,
be.
No, the bar's got to go in and lock.
Yeah, but that's the point.
Keep going. So your bars are perfect. It's locked.
It's locking. It's rocked. It's rocked.
See?
It's rocked.
That's your key.
Now you just got.
I'm going to explain to you kind of what we did. Didn't really have a chance to explain it in detail what we were doing as we were doing it. So I'm just going to show you little bits, little kind of tips, maybe some tricks, what to look for, tips and tricks. And I'm going to go over that real quick and why I ended up buying another awning. So here was some damage at the very top of the awning. This is where it slides into your track. So we were getting little rips, and it was getting really, really brittle. So every time it folded up, it would crumble. Underneath, there was some more damage as we were rolling it up. It was kind of peeling away from the track. This track is actually for where it slides in the awning, and then I had a light up there, which this track was for. As you can see, the awning is already put up. It kind of rolled up a little crooked, but these things were straight. It has to go over top of your rail on both sides. So that's how that ended up a little bit janky, but it still rolls up straight, and these things close. In order to put it on that part right there, it has these already kind of pre-made little rods that slide through. That way your flap hangs over. So you just lay it down like that. There's 2 little holes on the pole there, and you just slide these through as you're lifting up in the middle to keep it from ripping your new awning. There's only a few screws in order to take this pole off here. These little set screws in there. 3 of them on each side, pop it out. This slides off. And then of course there's your track. There's one track there, there's one on the other side, which I showed you earlier that those slide into. And then a little set screw up there somewhere. I can't see it right now. And of course this awning came from Tough Top Awnings. And there's their website right there. Yeah, they're made in the USA, so you know it's gonna be made quality. You're gonna get your money's worth, and they're actually pretty easy to install as long as you got a few people to help you out. The more hands, the better. So I did have a light up here before. I did take that down because this awning was not equipped with it, with that extra little rod to slide the light piece on. I'll show you this. So here's my light, right? That was my existing LED light, and it has a track with the other track there, which I told you before this slides into. So this slides in for your awning. This piece slides in for your light. So since I don't have a light now, I'm just gonna adhere it to the bottom metal of the gutter up there. So it's gonna run basically up there underneath the metal where the black part is, where the awning and the camper meet. There's a black piece that's metal, so I'm going to run it the whole length underneath of it. So all you got to do is clean that off. That's metal. I'm going to run it there, and of course I have my wires that are down in there that I tucked in for now. Measured my awning to be 17 feet, I believe. So it panned out really nice. Tough Top Awning says a pretty quality product. Pretty excited about it. It is one color. It's not the two-tone like you have the white bottom with the like gray top or whatever you have, but it is a good quality product. If I had another awning to buy, it would be from them. They have awnings that will go over the slides, so the slide awnings, and they have all different types of sizes of awnings. Of course, they are cut to whatever you would need to make it easier for installation and to meet your needs. All right, well, it's time to clean all this up. I still got a ladder out. I got the old awning parts still out in the yard. I'm gonna park this thing, put it away, and call it a day. Thanks for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time when we're camping. It's starting soon. See ya.